On the new adventures of Oswald and Screwdriver, they go through a mystical journey to find nothing but wrath and puny turd biscuits. What will they do on this next mission? Only time will tell. I am here now with Oswald and Screwdriver. How are y'all doing today?
Doing good.
Well, now, I heard you just finished your last episode of Oswald and Screwdriver. How's that going?
Yeah, well, my name's Oswald. I named him Screwdriver because he tightens up the bolts in my heart.
Well, that's great. Oswald, how long have you had Screwdriver there?
I had him since he was a baby.
Well, that's wonderful. Y'all have made a great show together. How do you bring off this success knowing that Cypress is out in the mist and he's trying to kill you?
I let Screwdriver figure that out, boy.
Alright, well, it was nice talking to y'all. The show is coming on tonight. It will air, and we will see what goes down. Good night, people.
Cypress coming through the mist.
Oswald. Screwdriver.
I'm gonna find you one day. And I'm going to do the unthinkable act. Oswald and Screwdriver, where are you?
Oh, Screwdriver. You're a little slither, man. You bubble my bubbles.
What's up, guy?
Who are you?
It's not important right now. What's important is that Cypress is in the mist and he wants to kill you and Screwdriver.
No.
So y'all need to get on out of there. As you like to say.
No. I was just loosen my bolts. No.
Keep going, buddy. I'll see you later, man.
Wait. Come back. I'm no Screwdriver. We're going back.
Screwdriver. One of these days I might come get you. Maybe sooner than you thought.
Cypress? You want to take Screwdriver away from me?
Yes. I'm coming after you two right now.
Oh, no. Come on, then.
Oh, don't mind if I do.
Come on. Come on, Screwdriver. Come on, Screwdriver. Come on, Screwdriver.
What's coming? What's coming? Invisible punches work every time.